Once the family members get to see what the gift taxes mean and what those qualifications are and how simple it is, they're on board. For our first-time buyers out there, right? They may be stretching or stressed. They maybe think they can't afford it. In my buyer consultation, in my binder, I have a mortgage planning questionnaire. And that question always consists of the biggest thing is, can your family provide gift funds? And immediately people get stressed because who wants to ask mom or dad or grandparents for gift funds? So what I do is I invite their family onto a Zoom call and we have a conversation on what the gift funds myth tax is. People already assume that they've got to pay taxes if they gift their children or their loved ones some money. So what we do is we go over the $15,000, gift amount that you can. Dan, you can gift $15,000 to anybody per year. You can gift up to $11 million for a lifetime. So once the family members get to see what the gift taxes mean and what those qualifications are and how simple it is, they're on board. And it's me asking, and it's not them.